counts on your post. Katulad na lang po nito guys, ayan, kung makikita nyo po yan, merong reaction counts. So, paano mag-turn out nito at para hindi malalaman ng ating mga kaibigan or naka-follow sa atin. So, ganito lamang po ang inyong gagawin. Back tayo sa ating home, Facebook home, and then pagkatapos, tap mo yung profile picture mo. Pagkatap mo ng profile picture, baba ka dito, punta ka lang sa my settings. Ito, privacy and settings. Ayan. So, itong privacy and settings. And then, makikita mo dyan. Yan. And tap mo yung settings. Pagkapasok mo dito, scroll up ka lang. Meron ka makikita na reaction preferences. So, tap mo yung reaction preferences at meron kang makita na on your post po. Ayan. Kung makikita mo yung button sa may tagiliran, naka-gray siya. Ibig sabihin, naka-turn on yung ating reaction preferences. Pero dahil gusto nating i-turn off, kaya hindi na nila makikita yung ating reaction preferences or naka-zero reaction na siya, guys. Okay, babasahin lang natin yung full details. Other people won't see the total number of reaction under posts you share to your profile. Reaction counts will still appear on your posts in other places like groups or on other content like reels. Ayan. So, pag i-turn on mo yan, and well done. Naka-zero counts of reaction preferences na yung ating Facebook post. So, nakatulong ba ito sa'yo? At kung oo, please don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share sa ating video.